Hi guys, Bill Mosherak here with the Arctic Wolf 321BH. A few things we're going to talk about is 6'4" slide height. The zebra shades. Not everyone has these. These things are awesome. You can use them at any depth that you want. Allow as much light in as you want. Another thing I'd like to point out is these giant windows in this super slide. You got a full tri-fold sofa here, the huge U-shaped dinette. We have a ceiling fan, circulates a great deal of air. The subwoofer we installed this year, and the Coleman Mach 15,000 BTU AC. Doesn't get any better than that, guys. We come back in here, we've got the giant bunk room for the kids with the bifold, the drawers underneath, the fold-up bunk, and the bunk on this side. Probably one of the greatest things about this coach, though, is this half bath. You got an entrance into the half bath, so the kids can keep all the mess out here. You don't have to worry about, everybody tracking through the coach to get to the bathroom, or in the middle of the night, them coming upstairs. Also included this year is 11 cubic foot, absolutely giant refrigerator. Also, we have the pots and pans pull-out drawer underneath, the undermount, stainless steel, black stainless steel sink, and the soap dispenser. This year also comes included with the Arctic Wolf is the fireplace. When we start coming up the steps, what we added this year was a motion light right at the steps. So if you're coming down here in the middle of the night, you don't hit the light switch, that's gonna come on for you. We actually have one in the bathroom also. So one of the coolest things we have on the Arctic Wolf this year is the total control technology. You can run your self-leveling off it, you can turn your lights on and off, you can run your awning out, you can run your slide outs out, all off your phone. And what we done in the bedroom, we actually added some nightstands with some drawers in it, USB ports 110 on both sides, and a ton of hanging space right over here with the full-size queen bed up front. On the outside here, we have a few things we want to touch. You got the slam latch baggage doors with the magnet, motion light, and this giant pass-through storage. Something we do on Arctic Wolf is we have both the fold-in airplane style steps, the Moride steps on both doors. The thing that changed this year, this top step's a lot wider than it was previously. We got the leash latch for the puppies. We have tire pressure monitoring system right here. The cap is red. We got to add some air to it. And we're going to talk about the outside kitchen on this bad boy. We've got a quick disconnect down here. You got a fully functioning sink here and this giant fridge freezer combo. One more thing on the Arctic Wolf that always comes with it is the self-leveling. Put the front jacks down, hit the auto level button, forget about it. Thanks for joining us today. Come check us out at forestriverinc.com/Arctic Wolf.